Hey guys, welcome back to Sunshine and Sparkles. This is Aishwarya and today I'll be sharing with you a makeup look using all the Huda Beauty products. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for the first product, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base, which is this one. Taking 2 to 3 pumps of it, I'm just going to massage it in my hands to warm it up, and then we'll start using it from the middle to the outer corners of my face. This works as a moisturizer as well as a primer, so you don't need to use like 2 products for the same thing. You can use just this one and get the kind of base you want. Next, let's get into the foundation. For foundation, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation in the shade Toffee 420G. So with the Huda Beauty foundation, what I tend to do is I don't apply the foundation all over my face. I use small parts to cover first and then go about the other parts, because this dries up pretty quickly. As you can see, like I've just buffed a little bit and this is almost set. So as you can see, my face is completely matte. Next, moving on to the concealer, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty the Overachiever Concealer in the shade Caramel Corn. So I'm taking very little of this concealer on the areas where I haven't put any foundation or I want my face to be highlighted a bit. So that is why I'm going to use it. So if you need to do spot concealing, then what is the best thing that you can do in this is that you can keep the brush, you can tap the brush on the same area where you want all the areas to be concealed. Therefore, the product will stay wherever you want rather than shifting from one place to another. As you can see, my eyes are completely concealed and my face looks like, in the same shade and tone. So to add a bit of contour to my face, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Tantour in medium, and as you can see, the shadows are falling right there and there. So we'll place the product right there to accentuate it. So as you can see, I've accentuated this part and this part. Next, we'll go to the forehead and blend in a bit of this and this area so that it matches our face completely. And the last what we are going to do is contour our nose, because I've got a pakode wali naak, so I need to contour that. If you have a double chin, you can just go lightly on the jawline of yours and buff the remaining product in. So I've applied the product. Now let's get to buffing. Next, to set all of this in, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder, loose powder in banana bread. And for that, I'm just going to take a big powder brush and put my brush there, tap out the excess and just apply it gently all over my face. Next, for bronzing up our face a little bit and making it a little bit warm, I'm going to use a butter bronzer from Physicians Formula in Deep Bronzer. So I am done with my base. Next, moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and in this I'm going to use the shades, all of these 4 in the corner. So going into the shade Hot Mess, I'm going to accentuate my crease line with that. So let's do that. Next, moving on to the next color, I'm going to use the shade Vortex. So taking a packing brush from Morphe, which is E18, I'm going to take this shade on my brush and dab it on my crease. Next, we are going to blend the upper portion of the shade that we applied, and for that I'm going to take a small blending brush and take the shade Hot Mess, little bit, dab of the excess, and just blend in both the shades together from the above. Next, I'm going to take the shade Off Balance and blend all of it from above. Next, I'll take the concealer and clean up the area where I want a different kind of a shade. I'm going to create a crease. I'll cut the crease and let's see how we get it. So taking it on a very small brush, as you can see here, I've taken the concealer and I'm going to just start clearing and painting the concealer on the desired spot where I want to cut it. So this is how I intend to cut my crease. If you can see, we'll do the same for the left eye and then I'll come back. So I've cut my entire crease. Next, using the shade Hot Mess again, we'll be going to the outer corner and placing the product right there. Next, taking the glitter shade, that is Supernova, I am going to place it from the inner corner and extend it to the outer corner. Next, taking the shade Hot Mess again, I am going to just blend in the outer corner. And then taking the shade Vortex, I am going to blend in the outermost corner. I'll just complete my left eye and then get back to you. So I've completed my left side of my eye. Now moving on to the next thing, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Life Liner from the pencil side and line my upper and lower waterline with it. So let's get that done. I'm just gonna line half of my lower waterline and the whole of my upper. Next, using the mascara by Huda Beauty, that is the Legit Lashes, and they curl in length and volume your lashes at the same time. So first of all, what my lashes need is a bit of the volume, so let's get that started. So I am done with my mascara and I am loving my lashes. Next, moving on to my falsies because I cannot live without them. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty falsies in Claudia. So I've already applied the lash glue and I'm waiting for it to dry a bit so that it sticks to my eyelashes and I don't have to wait too much for them to stick completely. Now let's apply this. Next, moving on to the blush, I'm going to use this blush from MAC, which is their powder blush, matte powder blush in Mocha. Next, to the lipstick. For that, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in Shikha. That is how it looks like. Next, moving on to the highlighter, I'm going to use this highlighter from Huda Beauty, and this is in the shade Flora. So swirling my setting brush into this because that is what I love using for my highlighter. I'm going to swirl it in, and it feels so gorgeous. I'm just going to highlight my high points. Ooh, that highlighter. After completing your makeup, this feels so good. Like this is like a cake topper. Taking a smaller brush, I'm going to dip it into the highlighter and highlight my brow bone. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to like this video, comment down below and share this with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon right below, and do it right now if you want all of my updates on time. I post videos every Sunday at 6 p.m. So this is me signing off. Bye.